boy. Yeah. Nigga nako bantini para make sing easy. Nzoto cowboy bege tilo masevela kwi TV. I've been tryna make some money but this shit is not easy. Funa nzokwe clip impilo very easy. They say Vanta loves you, hey, I love you too, but London must not tell lapha.
So that record yeah. Okay. So andazi ndizoqala kubani. Okay, mangiqala kuwe Mfethu yabo. So uziva kanjani namhlanje?
Bro, ndiziva happy bro ngisho.
So Ukraine. Okay. Wena uziva kanjani?
I don't feel okay, honestly, I don't know how I feel right now, but I'm kind of like nervous. Yeah, because it's my first time doing this thing.
Okay. So I question yokuqala nje maniqala kuwe Mfethu yabo. Ize ngapha here. I question yokuqala izothi what is your love language?
What?
Love language.
Obvious boy, it's close.
Okay. Scores in the language up.
Yeah.
It was crazy, dog. Like. So when you feel like kanjani with love language yakhe scores?
Sorry, it's fine. Questions that I understand, I can respond using English. But if I'm kind of like, so my love language, it's physical touch, quality time. Why you laughing?
No, don't mind me. No, don't try talk.
Quality time and why are you laughing?
No, talk.
And also like flowers. I like someone who can buy me flowers. Yeah, 3 of them.
Okay.
So, whoa, guys, composure.
Ini question so qala kuwe Mfethu ne. Okay, yeah. So any question what I type yakho umuntu onjani?
Bro, type yami Mfethu. Ubukhwini omhle boy.
Yeah.
Ushapi. Unefika.
Yeah.
Nje yabo like umuntu omile sharp omhlendwana unefika sharp imfundo yonke lonto lo boy.
Yeah.
Type yami ntwana. Yellow bone boy kahle.
Yellow bone.
Obvious.
Crazy.
Yellow boy.
So wena ezwe akazithola unazo.
I am pretty.
Yeah.
When it comes to imfundo, I'm not sure. I think I have a strap, but it's rich. Then again, what else? I chilo. Figure. I don't have figure. Guys. Yeah, I don't have figure.
Okay. So ke wena kwi I type yakho umuntu onjani?
Someone who's
Oh,
okay. Someone who is taller than me, dark skin, not okay. Closer vele. I like closer, like people. It's Gyan. Yeah. What else? I don't like language. Like sometimes in turn off like. Yeah, but what he said, Wuti Queen, I hate that. Like Queen, that guy.
Yeah. What do Queen in
Queen, like Queen. It's giving some gassy vibes, bro, but it's cool. Yeah.
It's giving gassy vibes as a smooth.
Sorry?
As smooth a lingo.
Yeah, bro.
Okay. So okay. So ke ngoku wena ezuyakazibalayo uzizwe like uyityani.
Hayi boy niyigyan.
Yeah. I was just asking that. Yeah. I know that umchita ngumhluba. I was just like, yabo. Yeah, I know umhluba umchita. I was just messing up. Okay, another new question. Zintoni I red flags zakho amantombazaneni?
Okay, when I pay red flag. Intombazana boy ethanda vibe. Yeah, ngithanda umnandi. Sesamajiteni.
Yeah.
Nje intombazana ithanda izinto esabaweni. Ufuna ama wings. Nje yabo zonke zobe.
Yeah.
Ama red flag ama boy.
Yeah. Kuthena ngathi zakhala izinto akazitshoyo.
Ingxaki zonke izinto azitshilo, like all of them.
I
do hlala with guys. I do love weaves. I like ubumnandi izinto. What else? Chilo.
Sabawell.
Sabawell, like in kind of
They're posting on status about how doing.
Where damn, I don't do those fucking shit. Man, I slay, okay.
So then when he red flags are come to the
A gent who is lazy, bro. What else?
Lazy to do what?
In terms of lazy. In terms of like lazy. Let's say now, you can't do anything. You always ask me to do like you're washing yak and stuff. Yeah, you can't do like those shits and stuff. Yeah, be clean, bro. I don't like a gent who's not clean. Smell good and stuff. What else? Someone also spend like more time with niggas. And uteta everything that we do when it comes to like bad or about in our relationship. I hate that. Like, yo guys, like that girl, what. And what else? I think those for now.
So when I'm to, are you like what indo angabuya age ukuthi zeze red flags akhe now? Are you lazy?
I wanna poem and call lazy na boy. But like ngomjita indoda eqotho boy.
Yeah.
Ngikhuthele ndiyathanda bo. Andiphela intombazana into manje kumele kwenze into ethile ngipheke mhlawumbe washe nginobho nezandla kwazenza zonke izinto lezi. Sentsho like yabo.
Yeah.
I'm treat that yabo njengendlovukazi onto ezikanjalo.
Okay, xa ngomfumana ne.
Yeah, mo.
Okay. So nansi question izoqala ngapha kuwe intombazana ne. Izothi so far ungamrate bani so far? Judging from how he talks, like he
the way I thought it's 3.5.
Like I'm not talking about the accent, but in the indlela indlela kayiyo.
Yeah, it's 3.5.
3.5.
The rest before it.
Out of 10.
Like most that thing when you speak, it tells like everything. According to me.
But it's not like the final what
I can imagine
for now.
Maybe and stuff. Yeah, but it's 3.5.
So when I saw indlela kathetha ngayo ngamrate bani out of 10. Besides nje ukuthi like looking kodwa nje indlela kathetha ngayo.
Yeah, ne. I think 1.5.
1.5. Why 1.5?
I know that basinshilo angithi lo mntana lo which means uyathanda eziveza ama vibe khangafana zonke like ibona mina ndithanda izithandi yabo. Zeza basenza so.
Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, I get you. So any question is oqala ku game eating how long does it take you to sleep with a girl or relationship now?
It depends, Dan. About for instance, like Django, like what just pila kulongo abo. I think ipo iveke right. Iveke.
So if into ngakuvuma namhlanje uzoyilinda next week Monday.
I'm not sure, but ever since like it depends. Even like it even 3 days, but I don't think like it's gonna be more than 1 month or.
Yeah. So xa ikuvume namhlanje uyifuni namhlanje uyilindisa.
Hayi bon, ngayifuna kanjani? Akala mfethe bona ngumjita. Bakhona ezawe because balekela yanto abomntwana bengathi yabo uzenge kuzibo. Eqonda ufuna ukuqala udryisa ushekhulana ngavo ujampisa.
Ungajampisa ubuvela uzenge nami.
Yeah, yabo.
So wena ke kuthatha how long to sleep with a guy?
If now, I feel like now it's now. Yeah, it doesn't have to be like I have to what those things.
You don't have to wait.
Nah.
So umthita yena if like mhlawumbe into zenzihambe grand athi ufuna ukulindisa ungalinda.
It's okay. It's fine. I don't have a problem.
But wena unandaba nakulinda even now.
Yeah, I don't have a problem. But if nanam I want to like do it now, as in like now and now you like
yeah.
Even if you say it's fine, we can wait, it's okay.
Okay, I get you. Ngicela ungayeli ngapha kakhulu awuvakala. Yeah, wena mfethu ufuna ukuyilindisa vele enkara vele. Okay, so so what is your longest relationship fethu?
4 years ndo.
4 years?
Yeah.
Yaqedwa yini?
Yeah, abana na mfethu into yenza amfethu ba. Kulamntana mfethu ba. Ubona like nijole vela ba for instance from high school aba. Then xa like in mother city aba. Yeah. Abelewe.
Why ngathi le mask yakho uyabona nje?
Ngibona couple ngibona nta.
Yeah, why uzobiya kwezindawo ezinemigodi?
Ngibona bensathetha ke mina.
Yeah.
Ba yeah bo. ngafumana isiba ndifumana isikolo apha yiniyale usiyabo long distance relationship yabo but I think boy yaba ndim like reason abandiye because like along the way mntana like yabo lo ndimshithela ndixolela mara alo ndixolela bra one day mhlawumbe ndikushiye yabo but the time bra wanshiya yo ntwana yam maybe I think point akho into like engangenyanga if I'm passing I think around ba September ndazohila like around November wasendikhaya ngibona ba yaya even boy like into thini even like yabo kwakuthandi yakhe ngikhumula one day andithi yakhe ngishama ama conflicts yabo like at teaspoons abendahluka abantwana
wakulimaza so masingapha so what is your longest like how long did your longest relationship take?
3 years. 3 years.
3 years?
Yeah.
I
found out Gucci, the guy that I was dating with last year, who chatted this year, so she gets at because of London.
So, who chatted while at now?
Actually, ebenomtu wakhe wamanyani while enam for like 3 years, then only to find out last year ukuthi ebenomtu wakhe. Then this year wachat available sehlukene this year by January. So yeah.
Yo, never most. Okay, so then any question is what ngizoqala kuwe ne nomazana. That's why are you a gold digger?
A gold digger?
Yeah.
Not really. It depends, bro. If I can see Gucci. Yeah, I'm not. But
you are, but not.
I feel like it depends, bro. You know those big guys, yeah, who gonna be like, hey, how are you doing? Like, I want you to be my girl. You're gonna be like, okay, according to me. Then because why isn't phone him and stuff. Then if like I can see good you love me and stuff. Like you said, like nah, I want like about you see, bro. You understand?
Yeah, I get you. It's not about man.
But for me, I don't date for love. I date for. Maybe I am a gold digger, guys, but I'm not.
you date for man. What am I saying?
It depends, bro.
Depends.
Yeah, I feel like it depends.
But Jensen Sacho, if you don't have bro, those ones are scamming you. Buy again, bro. You can do that. Those scam bomba na utsala nzima. So yeah, when I'm cheating, are you a quality?
Aye, boy.
Yeah. Good tell me,
like yeah, I'm not sad, but I
like how you phone my cousin.
I'm not going to tell like goes made and I want to pay I'm doing.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm like I want to tell when it comes to me.
So xa ngathengele ipolo ngayithatha.
Yo. Aphela waqathela ipolo which means izondilawula lo mntwana. Yabo, that's why ndisho ndifuna ukulawula umuntu.
Ungayiyeka ipolo.
Ipolo moto. Hayi, ndona ngiyayeka manje.
Ungayiyeka?
Ngingabhoyi.
Awutsho nje.
Mina like ngithanda ukusebenza like into zami mntwana. Ndiyadipha imnesi. Umuntu esifazana, okay. Let's say like for instance ajola nshithela yabo just because ngithela ipolo like ndimxolele just because ngithela ipolo mina ngicela uthatha ipolo yabo baleka into ezikanjalo ntwana
abuza mlahla nalo polo yakhe ngoba umncingane. Then enye question is what okay ezinye question ezininzi ndizibuzile apha yabo. Okay nansi ke ngizoqala kwintombazana phinde ngizoqala intombazana. Yeah, ithi ke ibhaliwe akutsho mna ne. Ibhaliwe ithi what is your body count?
Yo, but I can buy bread, bro.
For real?
Yeah, I can. Half, not like as in full for 20 rand, but I'm sure it's more than 10.
It's more than 10. Yeah, Mara, you're being honest, dog.
I'm being honest, bro.
At least you're being
maybe
honest.
It's like, no, I feel like India's back and stuff. Maybe, but
yeah,
I'm not sure
10.
more than 10 or those. Yeah.
But you understand about my body count is 3. It's more than 3.
It's more than 3.
Yeah, people who say my body count is 3, it's usually more than 3. So I just think you're gonna go. It applies the same way. It's more than 10.
Yeah.
It's more than 10.
It's more than 10. No, not more than 10, guys. Maybe it's 10 or less.
Yeah. Okay. Go on, I'm pedo teen. Galon do vibe.
Yeah, you get wrong. I'm done.
Yeah.
Wrong kakhulu. You're more than 10. Forget you.
Nabanye nje afana kabayaphika.
Yeah, what wrong? I'm not happy. I'm not into mazana. I think mele at least ngadlula ku5 bra.
Fit bayaphika iyafana ndiyakuxelela bayaphika.
Vela ko 10 ngenye into endona.
Some others can say it's 3, while maybe it's like 20.
Or even 10.
I'm so duh, bro.
Yeah, that's how it is. This is Jozi. You know who this is?
Yeah, fair.
So teeny fit ngabantwana base Jozi.
Ngiyena le nditsho ba at least mfethu must be 5. Oh, was like 7, 8, 9, 10. Aso wrong kakhulu ntwana.
So wena wena ukhala nje intombi yakhe bene body count e1.
Yeah, for am lapha kuphela.
Yo it's rem fanam. Unless babofumana itshitshi bazokuqhatha.
Yeah.
Yes.
I like that like endibuza lo relationship and ndizibuza lo nto yabo. But like you for the sake like you loba like bentomazana benestim iziphathe kahle boy yabo. Ngathi caba like yabo more than 10
Lokho sidinga somuntu umbuzo umuntu uyamva lapha ezingcokweni. So ke ngoku wena I body count yakho ayithini?
Yo, phela nomjita nakaboy baba. I'm not going to nyana maybe like 14 rand because nomjita vele
14. Okay. So when you feel kanjani ngalo ka uthini?
I do understand because indoda like.
So mawucinga having 14 body counted 20 plus years is good.
For a gent.
Yeah, 14 for a gent.
Like I do understand when it comes to gents, bro, because I don't know what you are planning to have sex. So it doesn't matter. Yeah, it doesn't matter, bro.
So do you think 14 is a big or small number?
It's less because you want more than 14. So yeah, it's less.
It's less for mjita ne?
Yeah, for a nigga.
So wena bro uthini 12 14 wakho week udlala week uthini? Yeah. Udlala week man go 14 uthini?
Hayi. Phofu kanye kuye ngoba since sesithi ba ibody count zakhe la ko 10 and above which means wena yabo. Yeah. Umdala industry kade wafika la. But mina ngibona ba ayisendipusha kakhulu la ngisakho nemva. Ndiqantsho ke emva bona ba ayisendihamba kakhulu.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. See. This is what will happen now. This will share phone as mic, then you guys talk.
Let me tell you.
Like you ask each other like some things. You talk, get to know each other like 5 minutes nyana. 5 minutes nyana you talk, guys. No, Uvali, Lame, just. No, he does not hate you, I swear. I'm fit to I'm fit to phone for like waste. I'm phone. Yeah, you can hold the phone. You can ask him questions. Nance.
Like kanjani?
So
Like this?
so yeah, bamba so.
Like this?
Ibambe like make sure unobe yakileka you.
Kanje?
Yeah, kanjalo. Yeah, it's good, ne?
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll talk, ask him questions. Mr. So.
Like
This
this?
is recorded, yeah.
Okay.
Ask him questions. Then now lizothetha nje bo. Because now it seems like usejumping nyana so.
Use what?
Lina so. Nokuthuka nyana, Lina so.
Uthukile umntwana nje. Hello. Sharp. I'm good. Your name? Like I want to know your name first of all. Your real name.
Marvelous man.
What?
Marvelous. It's marvelous.
Marvelous.
Yes.
Igama lakho likwi IDL.
Yes.
Dang, where you from?
I'm from Western Cape, man.
Where?
Granville, man.
Where? Like Cape Town? Is it Cape Town, guys, or?
Eastern Cape.
Okay, Eastern Cape. Where?
Granville.
I don't know that place, but okay.
Town.
Yeah, I'm from down.
Okay, cool. So since you had this thing, you could say I have like maybe 10 body counts or less. So when you don't recommend a girl with like that body count.
Yeah.
Why? Why are you sure to this thing that I said, Bendy, honest or whatever? Or maybe I was testing you or
Okay. like but the thing is never.
Okay.
Why? Like do you think I was sure?
Because of if you don't want to Yeah.
Yeah, you see now. So do you think I was sure or I was being honest or something? Why when uzogqibela ukuthi ya vele unyanisile lapha ukakaniboni nokunibona ukuthi maybe benthethinyana or something?
No, like lokucinga wami ya serious ngibithethe.
For real?
Yeah.
Damn, sharp okay.
Because inxa yamantombazana senibonile ukukhula amantombazana babethathekile unoxolo.
Thathekile in terms of what?
So yonke into ntombazana like yazithanda izinto. If like
no, you even said like into yokuthi I can see like 10 akaziphethanga kahle. No ways, bro. Like how? I don't get it.
Indlela ethetha ngayo msandithi.
The way I speak, say like everything about me.
Yeah, because sometimes inyane like iphuma like makuthiwa like isiyancokola. To be honest, serious.
Nah, it's cool. What if now ungakwazi ukuthi mhlambe undazi kancane and unifuna ukuthi yazi yonke lento beke yithi akuseyiyo and stuff. But it's fine. I do understand. Anything that you wanna say to me or ask me?
Okay, ma'am. Kala, what's in bike now?
Damn. Okuhle.
Nice name. So I gave him
KZN.
Coxted?
Yeah, I think you do know it.
Coxted KZN?
Yeah, it's between. It's a KZN, but people buy confused just because it's back or something. Plus, yeah, I think it's a closer.
So, ma'am, like, me just was never into. Like, what kind of job?
Damn. Okay, that kind of job, maybe ish. I was doing grade 6. Yeah, I was doing grade 6, so yeah.
Grade 6. What kind of went to sex?
I started doing sex by 2022. Sorry?
I'm about 2022.
Let me think. I think I was doing my grade 9, if not 10. I'm not sure.
Oh, yeah.
Between those, yeah. But I think I was doing my grade 10. I think.
Why?
What do you mean, bro?
Like Medellin or something for sex.
Like I didn't knew whatever I did, it was a mistake. So yeah. So Kangmele them, bro. I'm sure even nowadays, like I get kumtongati while I was doing my grade 10 or whatever, I was still a virgin.
Okay, so like isn't doing like everyone was tanda and choose nobisa ngazo whatever.
I like to go like outside, out. Officially said you don't like a girl or turn hand. Yeah, I do like to groove. Yeah, I can say.
Groove. And
like, yeah, I do. I'm being honest, bro. It's not like unfit or something. I'm just being myself right now.
Okay, like yeah. When I'm like a cool like also
I don't know. I don't even think, bro.
Because ever since like you said you turn about groove. I don't think by condo thing I shut the groove.
Okay. Since now, they like get kumtonga age yam, but in future maybe angabakon. And also it depends, bro. If a giant we are groover or now you turn like a girl just like me, very because I'm someone's dream girl. So it depends, bro.
So yeah, in future so change.
Yeah, I can change, bro. Like in Semngane, bro, I can like enjoy my life. In Semning, I'm laughing at 21st, imagine.
Oh, wow.
So yeah.
Ever since like the Shilba in terms of like a Tanama group and I prefer it. Ever since like without change, I change a phone.
Change. Maybe can depend, bro. Like if I can see what maybe you are serious about me and I can see what you the one, Jenje, no ways.
Okay.
Because I get come down and change a fuck.
Okay, guys, catching us catching my feelings.
Catching feelings.
We'll explain something. No, not now. We'll explain something. Okay. So ke ngoku njengoba senithethile ndizoqala kuyitherne. Njengoba senithethile umrater bani since senithethile like no ithundi ngekho.
Maybe 4.5.
4.5. Nah, kusho kuba ngcono why umrater 4.5.
because I noticed something. I like a gent like you know like when as a buzuguti. Do you think you can get married while you're grooving or something? I like that, bro, because I know no gent can marry a girl or a groover or liking bumnand and stuff. And also this thing, the body counts. I don't know if I included it single bendemuza, but yeah, that's why it increase and stuff.
Okay, because you like that.
Yeah, I know I like that, but I felt like I began a point because no ways I get come to chat like a girl a tiny groove like you know, those things, bro.
So when so as chat.
I don't know. I don't know. God, I know, but I'm someone's dream girl.
For real.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Again, isn't very good for Omnium to, but Omnium to, I know that, bro.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
When I'm fit, I'm right about so
No, but I think 6.5.
Yeah, I catch your feelings, chaps.
No, besides law and like in the thing, the one will buy, but since then, it was balaba.
Yeah.
So it's all cool, because if you level over yabo as maintain, qali ngabo, was serious in the future, qala as control be right. But since not job stage, it may happen babo. Ashata zonke zanto.
So ke ngokuthi ba ke ngokwena. It's fine noba seqala ukuzicontrola i-body count ithi 50.
Yeah, because it's like Indians again. Guess what about because it's regular, because I need like the ends are so cool. So cool, like experience life, enjoy life, you learn.
Yeah, so go right in nje noba kwenzakaleni.
Go right but ekugcineni funa abe ngumuntu lo azoba right ekugcineni.
So even after those like things, you can still make her your wife.
Yeah, because like in the sense like change. If like for instance umuntu yamncane boy yamthanda bo ngeza like bethi indaba ze pass le nto yenza like ingafika empilweni yakhe andithi lethi umzekelo andishi basendifikile qonda yabo yeah so ngeza like besimela lonto ba why abantu abangaka abo because ndibuza bendiphi ndilindeni ade afumana abantu abangaka bo
uphu ulindeni yo crazy yo
so yeah
bavuna abantwana
into ebalulekileyo ntwana bayagcineni umuntu like maphini indlela igrand abo like into yenza kodwa nje abo gcineni abe sharp.
So when umrate lo wayini should do grand naye so already ke ngofo kumbona
Yo, let me tell you.
Yeah.
Already for kumbona
ngambone
wena already for kumbona ngibona.
I'm pissed right now, but okay, it's fine. I can.
But you are ready.
I am that.
Okay. Okay ne so tenzo yenza ne
Let me
I will take off a blindfold and I think ndizosuka ndiyasuka mos ndibashiye bodwa ndizosuka ndinishiye nodwa then niyabonana so ndizoqala ngawe fethu ujonge le I will tell you man turn around
Okay. Should I face the side?
jonga le like nje kakuhle bamba iphone futhi
Iphone.
yeah okay yeah bambe wena phone
Yeah, that's bendi.
ungaguquki
Let me tell you.
jonga le aw no you can press it go Zabala 2-3 ne Zabala 2-3 bese like niyajongana no kude now so ngola nizokholaida
You make me shy.
But be ready yabo yeah be ready wow
I'm laughing. Damn.
3 yeah go chala
Why am I trying to get Yo, let me tell you, bro.
Okay, like sulila mfethu relax. Sulila relax. Okay. So What do you think about my brother here?
It's shy, bro.
How?
Like, he's not my type.
Yo, your type how? What's your type?
It's the looks.
Yo, nah, yo, bro, what do you think about that?
Yeah, no right. Champies.
I got champisi.
Like, yo, chill, ne? Okay, so alright, ne?
Yeah.
So.
It's about to go down.
My mom told me to tell you.
So, like when like, do you believe in that? But you can like.
No.
Yo. So like, often what chance like.
Why? I know ways, guys.
Can't really reason like a valid reason, like a valid.
I told you go to the looks, bro.
Yo, bro, we're penal and the looks, dog.
Because you really until like off. I was like, duh, like no ways.
Yo, get the motion, dog. Get the motion. I'm telling you, it's just the motion. You all been there. it's just the motion. Just get the motion. Just get the motion. I believe. Just get the motion. Okay, then yeah. I think that's it, bro. So, which means there's no date.
Yeah, there's no date. Damn.
Rest
There's no
before
date,
to
guys.
rest.
There's no date.
Yo.
Why? Ingaki.
Lila mnango, bro.
Uri-
Yeah, mfethu.
No way.
Khawuthethe mfethu.
Wala mamela.
Khawuthethe mfethu.
Wona boy.
Khawubambe mfethu way.
Let me see.
Khawubambe ibhela. Khawubambe ibhela.
Mm.
Yeah, mfethu khawuthethe.
Akona ngizoyithetha. Basentsho yawe. Basenza la yena kahle ama bras kondithi boss ngacela. Otherwise unaye.
Yeah, I know.
When it comes to my relationship, yabo.
You can tell us something with me. But you said I'm not bad. Like, tell me if I'm not that like your type.
Yeah.
Or I'm not your type in terms of what?
I'm showing it like in terms of
The way I look.
understand.
God, I'm pretty, bro.
Yeah, ngiyamhle. Andithi umuntu nom like umuhle mluphathi. Like umhle for indawo yakhe. Wasn't this by bed? Which
Bad
means
in terms of what?
which means
I will tell you later if you tell me.
doesn't hit.
So if you can rate me out of 10.
Yeah, alright, that's 6.5.
Yeah, you are close because I know I'm a 7. Sharp.
Okay, YouTube, like now we are done with our blind date video. I hope you like and subscribe. Danko.
It's Cowboy. Yeah.